What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at all of the trades on the Nasdaq 100. Today it's August 7th. Hope you had a great weekend, and let's check this out. So, the first trade I actually took two trades late in the night, so around 12 a.m. I was trying to catch the market to the downside, trying to catch that downside push, and then the market actually hit me out before going in that direction. So you see the first trades here. So this was basically August 6th at 12 a.m. or 11:59 a.m. But this is actually, yeah, this is August 7th at 12 a.m. So let me show you. So that would be 00 here. Let me put it to the 15 minutes so you can have a better visual of what I was seeing and what actually, I mean, it doesn't tick me off because the market does that, but I just know that I could have had that move. So Monday, and we're looking for the 12 o'clock. Okay. So we're looking at Monday this time on the chart. This is the bottom of a demand or supply zone for me. So you can see price typically it does react there. Like it generally pushes down from here. You can see it kind of did it here. It didn't really respect it, but it does generally go down after tapping this level. So I entered here trying to catch a nice downside move. So I entered at 12:07 here at 15,423, 423. No, 15,362. Let's actually change this. 15,362.8. Be right down here. So what I was trying to do is take it to the downside. I had my stop loss somewhere above here. So if market kind of broke to this level, I wanted to get hit out as fast as possible, not assume more risk than about $10. So I had my stop loss at 15,372 around here, right? And well, you can actually see it here. That's where I got stopped out at. And I got stopped out actually 3 hours later at on this 3 o'clock candle, of course. But you can see I was in profit. I was in profit. If I had set 2 to 1, actually looking at this, if I had set a 2 to 1 risk reward here, I would have hit profit. But because I set a 3 to 1, I didn't hit any profits here. So I'm just noting that because see, I could have took profits somewhere down here, even a 1.5 to 1. Could have done it. Could have done. Wow, just more looking into it because if I'm right on the direction and I just need a little swing in my direction, I can probably make some money there. But this one, I got stopped out at 15,372.9 for a loss of 10. And then the other I entered on the same candle, basically same time exactly, within around 5 second difference, and got the same fill. And I lost 10 on that trade as well. So moving on to the morning now. When I began trading in the morning, this first trade was at 8:43. So let's look for the 8:30 candle, and I entered to the buy side. You can see this was a nice bullish move, huh? Is this accurate? Yeah, but I didn't catch it. Let's see why. So I entered this one at 15,359.5. Okay. So it probably wicked down on the same candle. Oh no. So I was in profits. I just got stopped out as the market reversed. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Very interesting. So you can see the trade was directionally correct for a bit before the market kind of took it out on that 930 candle. And I need to really know that anytime 930 kicks in, it can go both ways. It can either wipe you out or just go in your direction. But I would have assumed a lot of losses right here if I had stayed, and I would have had to hold this trade for a bunch of minutes before I was able to exit in break even. But this trade was a loss of 1250, so I was in profit. But as soon as I hit the zone, you have that big bearish reaction taking it to the downside. All right, the next one is just a point 0.2 difference in where I entered around here for that. Same stop loss, lost 1270 on that trade. The next trade now, I entered. You can see I actually waited a bit, so I entered at 1027. So 1027. So that's part of the 1015 at 15347.9. And closed it or got stopped out on the 1030 candle. So this next candle right over 15360.3 for a total loss of 1240. So I really kept the losses within range today, and that's why I want to just keep trading it. I'm just gonna trade that, just keep the losses within range and then try to hit more higher probability trades, but just keep the losses at the 10, and it doesn't even matter if I get hit out quick enough because that's just the system. So this trade was the winner for today, which was a trade of 6940, and I entered this one at 1045. 1045 at 15345.4. So closer to the top of this candle. And then I had my take profit down here. So I had my take profit at 15276. And that's actually the top of this range. So I was just thinking, okay, if price actually breaks down and probably tap the zone, I want to just be out around here. So it tapped me out there for a total profit of 69.40. And then I entered another trade at 1. And then just because the market wasn't moving very nice, like I just let it hit me out and didn't bother trying to trade again. So I entered this one at the 130 candle, and that was at 15362.2. And I quickly got stopped out at the 145 candle and for a loss of 940 at 15372. So what I'm seeing now is like I'm listening to a lot of the podcasts. So while I'm trying to get the technical down, I'm working on the psychology as well and understanding why are we doing this? What's the best way to do it? What are the best practices? How to approach it? What I'm seeing is like trading like a business. So businesses don't make a lot of like drastic decisions in a day. Like they make a few business decisions that they really predict the outcome of the business. So if you're making a lot of business decisions, like you're making a lot of trades and moving a lot of money around, changing ideals, you might not make any money. So I'm thinking just try to be more niched and focused and just take better trades with better edge and stick to the strategy, and I'll just be doing that. Hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate everyone for just watching the video. Like sometimes I lose a lot, but I think it's just part of this, like what I'm trying to create. And I'm here, bro. Like just trying to do this thing, bro. Just like anybody else I know, if you're watching this video, you're probably trying to do it too, man. And we gonna do it. Don't stop. I won't stop. You don't stop. So I'm actually gonna start getting back into the stock market, like purchasing my shares a lot more, like more aggressively. So my top three stocks right now is Tesla, and then I like PayPal, right? And then Bit Farms. And that's actually how I'm feeling. I think those three are the best risk adjusted opportunities in the market. I could be wrong. There is not a lot of data behind this more than just Tesla and its growth, PayPal and just its Venmo popularity and feeling it's undervalued, and Bitfarms as a sympathy Bitcoin play, like a Bitcoin meme play. And you can see it on the screen right now. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.